First at 6, we're getting new dire predictions from Oklahoma's leading medical professionals about how bad COVID-19 could get this December. It comes at a time when hospitals are filling up and Tulsa's mayor's calling out neighboring towns to step up and do something. Thanks for joining us tonight at 6. I'm Neely Jones.
And I'm Mark Bradshaw. News Channel 8's Maureen Wirtz live tonight in Jenks with the mayor's response to Mayor Bynum. Maureen.
Mark, Jenks is one of the surrounding communities that does not have a citywide mask requirement in place. But now, after warnings from health experts, the mayor here is calling for a citywide mask requirement. A choice by one city helping another.
We've all kind of benefited from Tulsa taking that early step when they did. Helped the numbers region-wide, and it had a cultural impact.
Jenks Mayor Robert Lee saying it's time to follow Tulsa's lead and put in a mask requirement, even though that may not be popular with other surrounding community leaders.
I understand where they're coming from, and it's we're all getting bombarded with emails and calls, and it's obviously a very highly charged issue.
We elected leaders to protect us. That's one of their main responsibilities, protect your citizens. And so while you may upset a minority of people in your district, you have to step up.
Dr. George Monks, president of the Oklahoma State Medical Association, saying our hospitalizations could increase 3 times over by December if things don't change. According to projections from the Institute for Health Metrics and Evaluation, by December 28th, 2,700 people will be in the hospital with COVID. And by December 9th, statewide, Oklahoma will be averaging 5,000 new COVID cases a day.
Look, the solution to the hospital crisis that we're seeing due to COVID, it's not going to reside within the walls of the hospital. That exists outside of the hospital. We have to modify our personal behaviors.
Lee says he knows supporting a mask requirement may upset some people, but he's focusing on the people who will benefit from it.
Think about the medical professionals, the first responders, the teachers who are on the front line of this, and that's just to name a few categories of people. And we really need to do what we can to protect those folks.
Lee says he plans on bringing up the topic of a mask requirement in a city council meeting. However, he is one of 7 city councilors, so others will have to get on board for it to be put in place. Reporting live in Jenks, Maureen Wirtz, News Channel 8.